Pakatalakad na lareng at duwang school building nga reni king Barangay Malino, siyudad ng San Fernando, Pampanga. Kadane no reni ren gagawan dambayong bypass road at diretso king Suklaban Bridge papuntang Culuba sa Mexico. Apin ni Don Honorio Ventura State University o DAPSU City of San Fernando Campus. At pangkang City of San Fernando Councilor Brent Gonzales a pamuntok ng Committee on Education king Sangguniang Panlunsod meging sagli ang karelang pamanintun lugal king pitalakaranan ng campus uling meging readily available ren gabun apibanjanan ng local government unit.
2022, may malangkas ko pong metong resolusyon nung no ka rin na lalawi akong bakanting gabon para ketang DAPSU San Fernando. Pero may kipag-meetings tamo ka rin kakatamong kayabeng konsehales kang mayora at may kapag-desisyon niya po in kakatamong local government unit na alaya po kanong adaking bakanting gabon. Uling atin niya po kanong uling atin la pong priority projects. And we respect that, and as a family, nag-usap-usap po kami and we decided to donate our own lot, which is 5,000 square meters or half a hectare. At ngayon po, nandito po tayo ngayon dito sa lupa na sinasabi po namin. And after more than 1 year, almost 2 years na po ang nakalipas, ito na po ang DAPSU San Fernando dito sa Barangay Malino.
Di estudyante manibatan king northern part na ning syudad oreng Mississippi nga barangay ning Malino, kalulot sundalan Baliti, Telebastagan, Panipuan, at ring malapit na baryo king Mexico, ring nasa ng pagsilbihan ning bayong DAPSU San Fernando Campus. 90 million pesos in initial funding para king mitalakad a building at agpangkan Senior Deputy Speaker at Pampanga 3rd District Representative Don Gonzales. Medina niya pang pondo ini king General Appropriations Act 2024.
June, mitalakad lay ang administrative building, another school building, 3-story, and then the mini convention center, and the landscape, the fence, everything. May kapangalap kong 190 million for the additional development of this DAPSU San Fernando.
Agpangkeng presidente ning DAPSU ay Dr. Enrique Baking, plano rang mamuklat kursong kalupan na ning BS Legal Management, Psychology, Public Administration, Real Estate Management at Juris Doctor o Extension na ning Law School king San Fernando Campus king daratang na school year 2024-2025 ang mag-umpisa na king August.
I promise to Ched, I want to compete with the programs being offered by both public and private tertiary institutions in the area. So probably I might be offering innovative, responsive, and relevant programs.
Kawaluning satellite campus ning DAPSU ing gagawan ng San Fernando Campus ang malyari kanong mananggapan hanggang 3,000 estudyante. Ako yung kayong kadasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos, ating pusong makabalet.